Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to be showing you how to turn off your Instagram notifications on your phone. So let's go ahead and first open Instagram. And if you're not already on your profile, go ahead and hit the bottom right profile icon. And we're going to go to the top right 3 horizontal lines. And we're going to choose the first option of settings. Now the second option here is notifications. Go ahead and hit that. And then here you can actually manage all of the types of notifications you can get. So if you just want to do post stories and comments, if I choose that, you can actually go through here and turn off all of these right here. And then you actually have an option to pause all of the notifications here, which you can toggle this on and off like so, and it will ask you how long you want it to be paused for. Another thing you can do is if you're on an iPhone, and I'm pretty sure you can do this on Android as well, we're going to go ahead and go into our phone settings. And then we're going to scroll down until we see our phone's notifications. Now what you want to do is you want to scroll down until you find your Instagram app. And then on the top, it says allow notifications. If you do not want your notifications on, go ahead and toggle that off. And then if you do have it on, you can choose what it will look like and all of that. So if you go ahead and do both of those things, you will not receive notifications from Instagram. So if this helped you guys out, don't forget to subscribe down below, like the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.